Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I will teach you the another new eye makeup. So let's learn with me. So first I have taken the blue eyeshadow and depositing it to the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V or in inward direction, as you can see. If you want to see the color I have taken from the palette pretty all set, you can reverse the video and taken the screenshot, and you can comment any of your query in the comment section. I will respond it as soon as possible, and I promise I will respond to everybody. So stay connected with me. If you have any query, you can freely ask to me. Blending it very softly. Now taking the darkest blue color and depositing it to the outer edges of the eye. And if you want to see the all colors, you can see in the first 3 seconds of the video. Now with the help of blending brush, blending it to the outer edges. Again taking the lightest teal blue color and depositing it to the middle section of the eye, over the eyelid. Now taking the big blending brush and blur out the all crease lines. Giving more depthness to the color. Again taking the flat applicator and depositing the darkest blue color to the outer edges of the eye, making it more dominating. Now taking the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color of purple, depositing it to the inner corner of the eye. You can see the effect merging out all colors. Now applying the liner, and the liner I have taken is the Krylon ka cake liner, and with the help of rose water, activating it or applying a wing over the eyelashes of the eye. Draw a straight line, connecting it. You can see. Now here's a look after lashes. Doing the under eye work, and for this I have taken the Charm Work Beauty Ka Kajal pencil in the color white, applying it to the lower lash line. White color will make your eyes look bigger. Now taking the smudging brush, and with the same color, the blue, smudging the under eye. You can see. So here's the final look in front of you. Forget one thing, that is the mascara. The mascara I'm using is Maybelline ka mascara to the lower lashes. Here is the final look. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, practice, practice, practice. Okay.